What's up, everybody? This is Aircrete Harry. While the colder season is approaching, we still get nice days here to get things done. I was able to get some cement work done today before it got cold again, and now it's time to clean up. I personally have a gas-powered pressure washer that I use all the time. Today I'll be using an electric power washer. This electric power washer has the same water pressure without me needing to buy gasoline, and it's much quieter. And yes, to many who ask the question about being able to rely on solar power, we are off-grid and we have to be conscious of power requirements. And as long as the sun is up, we have all the power we need. This is a 20-foot long high-pressure hose with a 35-foot power cord for flexible use in large areas. When the trigger is not used, it will automatically shut down the pump to save energy and extend the life of the pump. That's a great feature. They offer a 2-year protection plan as well. If you have any problems with your high-pressure cleaner, you can contact the page at any time. If you're not satisfied, you could get a full refund within 30 days. It comes with 4 quick connect nozzles with different spray patterns. This product is available on Amazon. Check the description box below for the link. Clean smarter, not harder. This is Aircrete Harry. I will be releasing new videos soon. Peace out. I love you all, and I'll catch you later.